Welcome back to the Go Lofty podcast, your weekly strategy shortcut where we break down the trends, frameworks, and tools shaping the future of business, innovation, and growth. I'm Leia, and today we're diving into a powerful concept that's shaping how we adopt and stick with AI tools: social AI. Here's the big idea: AI platforms aren't just powerful because of their intelligence. They become sticky, viral, and truly useful when they're discovered socially, in networks, with peers, through challenges, interactions, and remixing. It's not just about technology, it's about experience, behavior, and engagement. If you're a founder, a product leader, or an innovation strategist, this episode will help you reimagine how AI fits into your product, your user workflows, and your business model. Let's go. Imagine the first time you used Midjourney on Discord. Maybe you typed something basic like a rabbit on a fire truck. But the real magic happened when you saw what others were doing. Vector art, Ghibli-style filters, custom aspect ratios, interactivity. That's the power of social learning. It's one of the most overlooked secrets in AI adoption. Watching what others do teaches you what's possible. And in a sea of complexity and intimidating interfaces, that's how people learn. Think about this from a product standpoint. What if your AI product wasn't just a tool, but a space? A place where people not only create, but watch, collaborate, compete, and share. That's social AI. One of the biggest challenges in AI adoption today isn't performance. It's workflow imagination. Users don't always know how to use AI because they can't visualize where it fits in their day-to-day. And even when they see the value, they often feel alone in figuring it out. But when AI tools are experienced socially, via forums, live demos, community posts, public prompts, shared templates, it unlocks both creativity and confidence. It becomes something people talk about, fork, remix, challenge, and build on. And that makes it sticky. That's why we're seeing experimental use cases on platforms like X, formerly Twitter, where people use chatbots and challenges, ask them to engage with followers, verify claims, or co-create interactive contests. These aren't just fun, they're sticky loops. Now let's talk product strategy. The AI platforms of tomorrow won't just run models, they'll build social workflows. You'll see. Canvases for co-creation, think Figma plus AI. Leaderboards and challenge prompts, gamified discovery. Forkable prompts and reusable workflows like GitHub for AI prompts. Communities baked into the product, not an afterthought. Think GitHub for AI. Not just a place to download code, but a space for discovery, remixing, and engagement. Social behavior reduces churn, increases learning velocity, and amplifies network effects. And here's the kicker. Social behavior is harder to clone than AI infrastructure. That's a moat worth building. So what does this mean for you if you're building or integrating AI? Here are 5 key takeaways. Build public spaces in your product, where users can share and see each other's work. Create low-barrier challenges that drive experimentation. Enable forking and remixing of prompts, workflows, or canvases. Leverage social platforms not just for distribution, but for interaction. Design with watch and learn in mind. Social onboarding is the new UX. And a bonus insight: community isn't a support layer. It's a growth engine, especially when AI is involved. OpenAI is rumored to be working on a social layer. If that's true, it confirms everything we're seeing. Social AI is a strategic differentiator. At GoLofty, we're here to help you not just understand AI, but leverage it to build, grow, and lead. If you're a founder or innovator, now is the time to think beyond features and think about experience, engagement, and discovery. Want more like this? Subscribe to the Go Lofty podcast. Check out our toolkits at golofty.io and stay tuned for weekly insights that give you the edge. I'm Leia. Until next time, stay curious, stay social, and keep building the future together.